Imagine building your dream house. You spend hours picking the perfect paint. You buy expensive furniture. You install beautiful lights. Everything looks amazing. Then one day, the whole thing collapses. Was it the paint? Of course not. The foundation was broken. Sales calls work exactly the same way. Every day, I see founders blame price. They blame objections, they blame leads, they blame the economy. But here's the truth I've learned after spending more than 10 years in sales and closing over $2 million worth of coaching and consulting offers. Almost every failed sales call was already dead long before the offer was presented. Think about that. By the time you're explaining your price, by the time you're handling objections, the buyer has already decided. Most people think sales happen when you pitch. That's wrong. Sales happen long before the pitch. Let me show you what I mean. I reviewed a sales call from a founder recently, and honestly, it was painful to watch. The founder builds rapport, the prospect laughs, the conversation feels great, everything seems perfect. Then the founder presents the offer, and the prospect says, "Let me think about it." The founder told me, "See? Price objection." But I told him, no, that wasn't price. The prospect simply never became convinced that changing was necessary. That difference changes everything. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Once you understand this, you'll never look at a sales call the same way again. Let me start with the biggest lie. Most people think sales happen when you pitch. That's wrong. Sales happen long before the pitch. By the time you're explaining your offer, the buyer has already made an emotional decision. James spent most of the call talking. He never actually explored the prospect's situation. He never asked, "What's really going on?" Don't create pain, reveal it. Creating pain is manipulation. Revealing pain is awareness. Your job is to help them see the truth. When someone clearly sees their situation and clearly sees what's possible, they make a decision. Pain doesn't close sales. Clarity does. Commitment is a feeling, not a signature. Ask this: do you actually believe this solves the problem? Then shut up. Let them answer. Never pitch until you hear, "Yes, this is exactly what I need." Decision before details. That's the secret. On your next call, don't present until you've had all 4 conversations. Foundation, future, friction, commitment. Don't skip any. Stop studying objection handling. Start studying conversation architecture. Head over to getsalesclarity.com. Thank you for watching.